Hi, this is Ronald Mills of Atlan Honda. Today I'm going to show you how to reset a maintenance reminder light on a 2018 Honda CRV. It's a button start, so you press these twice, not start the car, but until everything lights up. Then you go to the controller on the left side of the steering wheel, hit this button, and watch the menu change. And when the menu goes to gas, scroll sideways once, twice to the wrench, press enter in the center, hold percentage, then you press and hold until that happens. Then you scroll to A. It says A2, so I'm going to reset only the A12, which is oil filter and filters, AC and engine air filter. Then I'll go back to where the customer have it, put it back to the home screen.